Hey guys, back here today working on the dirt bike. She's been sitting here patiently waiting for a very long time now. I've had the parts for about 3 weeks, so it's about time I got onto it. I've been distracted by the Skyline, of course. Got the engine sitting here. It's been sitting upstairs. I've got to take that old piston off. Cylinder is nice and clean. I don't know if you can see that too well in this, but yeah, she looks good. Fresh coating from NZ Cylinders, brand new piston. Yep, she's all ready to go together. So I've got to give that a clean up, get the old piston off, and check my measurements for the piston rings, and it'll start going back together. Top end's all put back together. Nice fresh cylinder. All the clearances are within spec. I'm not going to put the engine back in the bike tonight, but I'll get onto that through the week and I'll keep you updated. Back here working on the bike again. Put the engine back together last weekend. Now it's time to put the engine back in the bike. I really want to get out for a ride, so got to get it together at some stage. Just going to have a clean up and then I'll rip into it. Just got done working on the bike for now. Not a lot left to do to it now, just got to sort out fluids and stuff like that. I'm going to swap out the fuel in it because it's been sitting for quite some time. I would say it's pretty nasty. And then put it back together, but I'm finished for today. I'll come back another day and finish her off.